Thursday, May the 28th, we have 2 parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds for quality. We will perform 5 single arm sots press on each side. We're gonna follow that up with 10 single leg Romanian deadlifts on each side, and then we will hit a 20-second L-sit. So on the single arm sots press, reminder that you can modify this movement based on the height of your squat. So if your flexibility or mobility doesn't allow you to hit the bottom of a squat and get your arm fully locked out, try to rise up off the floor a little bit higher so you're in a half squat position like so, and try your presses that way. On the L-sit, also remember that if you need a modification there, we can tuck sit instead. All right, and moving on for part B, we have an AMRAP. Today's AMRAP is 10 minutes, as many rounds as possible. We will perform 5 power cleans, followed by 25 double unders, 5 push press, followed by 25 double unders. That is our set. We're gonna cycle through that for 10 minutes to see how many collective rounds we can get. This workout is designed for you to be able to use the same weight on both the power clean and the push press. But as always, whatever you have at home, let's modify and make it work. All right, you guys, best of luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you did.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Thursday the 28th. We're gonna take you through another warm-up. To start it off, we have 2 minutes of jump roping to get our heart rate going. From there, we're gonna do some stretching. Our first stretch is a squat and fold. We're getting those fingers under our toes, stretching out the hammies. Then we're gonna hang out at the bottom of our squat for a squat and reach, pushing one elbow into a knee and reaching up with that other arm. From there, we're gonna get into a lizard lunge and get in some rotation. And our last stretch will be prone angels. So warming up that overhead, warming up the shoulders. All right, from there, we're gonna do 4 rounds of a series of movements. We have 5 reps of each. We're gonna start with a deadlift. From there, we're going to get lunges, 5 on each leg. Then we have hang power clean. From there, we're gonna hold onto a front rack and get front squats. And our last movement will be push press. All right, you guys, get after it.